All right, everybody. Today's activity. Let's see here. So, old uh, license plate light that mounts to the bumper. So it's just a simple light. So it illuminates your license plate so the cops can track you down. And they get upset when they don't see that thing lit up too well. So that's the original part that I just pulled off the car. And then here's our brand new part. So see if I can get these right next to each other. So you can definitely see that this part is brand new. And you can see where this one is old and crusty. Yeah. This original part has a glass lens here. I thought for sure the new one would come with plastic, but it's actually a glass lens too. So pretty cool. So I had to, you can see the old one had these type fasteners, which I think people refer to those as speed clips. That's what I've heard them referred to. So I bought a little kit here with various size speed clips. So I put a couple on here on the new one, but I'm not thrilled with these. They're like more like a bronze colored screw. So I'm going to see if I can find some chrome ones. I think I got some that I can use for that before I mount it on there. Also, it's got this style connector, which is called a bullet connector. The old one, on the old one, it was just cut and then hardwired in. So I got a bullet connector set. So I'm going to try to fix that so it's back to where the way it should be. And of course I'll put some wire sheathing and stuff like that, and some shrink wrap on the exposed wire to protect it a little better. So that's the project for today. I'm going to see about putting that on. I may take part of the process, we'll see, but that's what's happening next. So I originally was thinking about swapping out the bulb with a LED bulb. But to be honest, I think it'll just be too bright back there. If I do that, the license plate will be like extremely well lit up. And I don't really want that. I want enough light, but I don't want there to be an obsessive amount of light. So I'm just going to leave that light bulb in there for now. If I decide further down the road that I don't like it, it's super simple to, it's only these two holding it in there anyhow. And then once you take that down, there's one screw there, and this whole little thing pulls off, and there's a bulb down in there. So I'm gonna look for some different screws to put on there and get the rest of my tools and stuff like that. I may pop this back up on a part 2 video when I actually start to install it, but we'll see. But that's today's project. Hope everyone's having fun. It's a beautiful day out. I'm gonna take the convertible out for a cruise. I found my Rage Against the Machine CD, and that sound system in that car is killer. So I'm gonna blast down the road a little bit today in my convertible and listen to some Rage and try to have some fun myself. So go have some fun today, everybody. It's gonna be a really nice day. So be good to each other. Have a great day. And I'll maybe post a part 2 video of me installing the license plate light. All right, later.